raining today, but Vaughn and I decided to eat in the rain. Got a nice heat lamp going. How you feel over there, Vaughn? Got a little teapot, some shishito peppers. Here, choose one. Alright, let's try the shishito pepper.
Japanese premium charcoal.
Wow. One, there's your shrimp you were wanting.
This is yakiniku sauce. This is garlic miso paste. This is sesame oil for tongue.
Okay. Thank you.
This is yakiniku sauce. And you can also use this salt and pepper or this miso paste as well.
Oh, to cook it.
But yeah, this is kind of specifically for tongue.
Okay. Juan, can you tell us what's on the table here?
All I remember is ribeye,
Tongue,
tongue,
A5, scallop, shrimp.
shrimp, and what's this? I don't know. Sauce.
Oh shit. Failed. Fail. This is the last piece. Can you see it? It's fucking fire.
The best piece, save
Last
for last.
piece. What do you think of this place, Vaughn?
It's good.
A1? A5?
A5 Wagyu.
Thumbs up. Like and subscribe. Tell a friend. Where are we?
We are at Fish and Bird in Berkeley.
In Berkeley, as you can see, in the streets of Berkeley right now.
It's great.
All right, Vaughn, what do we have here?
That is hojicha tea infused ice cream. Apparently, it's the best hojicha from Shizuoka, Japan.
And then this guy.
This is a, I don't know, but it's a patissier Minoru's cheesecake slice. Rich, creamy goodness.
What the hell?
I know. I know. I guess I'll eat this and we'll switch. Oh, babe. Hella good.
Okay, use some word vocabulary.
This
This hojicha is fucking fire. It's good.
This cheesecake is so like soft but fluffy and but creamy at the same time. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't get enough.
Back up, Vaughn.
It's hella good.
I can forget too.
The best hojicha from Shizuoka, Japan.
Get the dessert here, you guys.
Where's Shizuoka, Japan?
In Japan.